Hello friends, welcome to Rimsha Lifestyle. I have written a short poem on birds' courage. I hope you will like my poem. So let's begin. The bird's courage. The birds that are sitting and lying in the tree cause of their sleepy eyes, flying in the sky, floating in the air, they are going back to their sweet home with the clouds where the leaves in the trees roam. The food is the life of the birds, and their food comes after their hard works in the air. It's true that birds fly like the kites and wakes us in the light of air, cause the sunrise comes in morning bright. Thank you. So how is it? Please comment below. And please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon too. And like my video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.